It has been a long-drawn legal battle for the Bayelsa State governorship seat, and a three-member panel headed by Justice James Abundaga presided. But none of the main actors, Diri and Timipre Silva, were physically present in court, except for the supporters. The appeal by Mr. Silva is challenging the decision of the Bayelsa State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, which on May 27 affirmed Governor Diri's electoral victory. The APC governorship candidate faulted the alleged non-collation of results in 184 polling units in Nembe, Ogbia, and southern Ijaw local government areas, and other forms of electoral malpractices which he argues affected the final outcome of the election. In its judgment, the appeal court held that the APC and its governorship candidate failed to prove that the election held at the three contested local government areas. It says a key witness of the APC failed to tender the beavers machine and the voter register at the tribunal. It noted that was fatal to Silva's case. These, among other technical grounds, sealed the fate of the APC's quest to overturn the PDP's victory at the Court of Appeal.
The court held that for you to state that the allegation of non-collation of results imposes on the complainant a burden to prove that those results were products of a valid election that was conducted. They were unable to prove it. This was consistent with the case of the respondents, that those elections were not products of a valid election. We thank my Lord. The court also found that the policemen who were brought to tender results were procured. They were unable to prove their identity as policemen, and so they were also not part of the people that conducted elections in that particular case, and therefore they lacked probative value.
We will study the judgments and we will decide what to do. But the beauty of it is that this is not the final court, so we still have the right to exercise another right of appeal to the Supreme Court.
One thing that is very, very important, this is what we call concurrent judgment, concurrent findings. So if it has become a pattern for persons not to know when to halt and they want to go to wherever they are, they must bear in mind that these are concurrent decisions.
For the Bayelsa State Governor, the appeal court decision is a breath of fresh air.
For me, clearly this is not unexpected, considering the judgment that was delivered by the tribunal. And so it's a victory for the people of Bayelsa State. And I don't think I want to waste my time by calling for anybody to come and work with me. It's a waste of time, because they have already told you that they are going to Supreme Court. We'll meet them there at Supreme Court.
Timipre Silva and the APC say they will be heading to the Supreme Court for a difference of opinion on their position against the credibility of the November 11 off-cycle election, where Diri emerged as the winner. Godfrey Eshemoge, Arise News.